Then you can see dissemination of the process on the around of the skin, and sometimes maybe involvement of all phase in this process. Why? Because very often the formation of the process of formation of dermatitis perioralis is in relation with using of corticosteroid ointments. Don't forget about this possibility, because adverse effects of corticosteroids are multiple in organism, and one from them is possible formation of dermatitis perioralis, predominantly in female and in children. And as a rule, we prefer to use corticosteroid ointments in mixture form with indifferent creams, in equivalent pumps, 1 and 1, for the avoidance these side effects or adverse effects of using of these corticosteroid ointments. Next, in the duration of using of these corticosteroids, you can find dissemination of this process, and if first initial clinical signs you can find around the lips, later you can find the elements on the cheek, and you can find elements on all face, on all whole face may be involved in this process. You can see the adverse effects. What's adverse effects? First, edema, because you know that using of corticosteroids for a long time, adverse effect is formation of the edema of tissues, and one from them is skin, and you can find edema of the skin on the face. You can see hypertrichosis. You can see this hypertrichosis such as adverse effect. You can see onset of the process of atrophy of the skin. And very serious adverse effects is formation of cataract and glaucoma, and this change you can find from the eyes. And